Hello students, welcome to Grade Booster. In this video, we will see some more important MCQs from the lesson Manufacturing Industries. Let's see the first question. When and where was the first successful textile mill was established in India? Options: 1865 Mumbai, B. 1856 Ahmedabad, C. 1854 Mumbai, D. 1853 Mumbai. The right answer is 1854 Mumbai. The first cotton mills in India were established in the year 1854 at Tardio, which is in Maharashtra at present. It was the first successful textile mill of India. Let's see the next question. To produce steel, iron ore, coking coal and limestone are required approximately in the ratio of A. 2:1:4, B. 1:2:3, C. 4:1:2, D. 4:2:1. The right answer is D. 4:2:1. Iron ore, coking coal and limestone are required in the ratio of approximately 4:2:1 in the preparation of steel. Some quantities of manganese are also required to harden the steel. Let's see the next question. Dash region has the maximum concentration of iron and steel industries. A. Malwa Plateau, B. Deccan Plateau, C. Himalayan region, D. Chota Nagpur. The right answer is D. Chota Nagpur. Chota Nagpur Plateau region has the maximum concentration of iron and steel industries. Low cost of iron ore, high grade raw material in proximity, cheap labor, and vast growth potential in the home market are the favorable factors for the concentration of iron and steel industries in this region. Let us see the next question. Assertion, reasoning. Directions. In the given question, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct code. Assertion A. After Green Revolution, the fertilizer industry expanded to several other parts of the country. Reason. To increase the agricultural production under Green Revolution, HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and modern machines were extensively used. Codes. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. The correct answer is A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. After Green Revolution, the fertilizer industry expanded to several other parts of the country. The reason? To increase the agricultural production under Green Revolution, HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and modern machines were extensively used. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Let's see the next question. Dash received ISO certification for EMS Environment Management System 14001. Options: A. ONGC, B. TISCO, C. SAIL, D. NTPC. The right answer is D. NTPC. NTPC is a major power providing corporation in India. It has ISO certification for EMS, Environment Management System 14001. The corporation has a proactive approach for preserving the natural environment and resources like water, oil and gas and fuels in place where it is setting up its power plants. Optimum utilization of equipment, minimizing waste generation, providing green belts for nurturing ecological balance, reducing environmental pollution through ash pond management, ecological maintenance are some of the steps taken by NTPC. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to Grade Booster channel. Press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Check the description to find links of other useful videos. Check the end screens for our new videos.